Hello everyone, you're welcome to Edutafia Amiibo YouTube channel, the best place for your news, entertainment and excitement. If this is your first time of coming to this channel, don't hesitate to subscribe to us, and while you are there, please click on the notification bell so that next time when we drop any video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you so much and God bless you.
Enye gwaga agwa bega agwa ihe joro kropano oje ngara owe gwaga me problem wa tie social media agwa be Germany wa no gi gwaga ama bio ogbe Germany ogbe ari boko ni agwa bian ya fe wa no gi gwaga no gi obi edoga wa tie me iku wa mo de record agwa be lawyer ni agwa be judge ni wa ama be logo na gbe Prince Edwin Idausa Adio police station where this man I hear say he dey prison. Here the time where which prison dey? Which prison? Now your prison be na government prison be na Nigeria prison. Yeah, I don't know where you need. Prince Edwin Idausa Prince P-R-I-N-C-E Prince Edwin E-D-W-I-N Idausa I-D-A-H-U-S-A.
Hey yo my people, now we're done. And welcome back again to Edutafia Amiibo YouTube channel. Now hey, now we were there at Edutafia Amiibo YouTube channel. Now we did greet on so. So what did they be say this Toriso? We be say this one will be someone drop. So now like what I talk about inside my last video. You know what I mean? As I talk about it, the month and the wife, I smile, get me. So from then I'm not gonna know when I come to say okay, maybe I go drop that the monthly part later today. So like as I don't use my talk, I don't drop the video. I don't just want to work on YouTube nowadays at all. Like, but anyway, I don't really talk, so I need to drop and this one will say I don't make, so now they come up. So you know what I mean. And then the last one about that and then this part 6. Mona no say part 1 to part 5 they already before the part 6. Not be say we just normal like that, like from the ordinary, from nowhere. Say na part 6 like no. Mona no say part 1 to part 5 day before that part 6 we say we drop today. So so very interesting. If now just watch any part now, no say oh that's something they very interesting and everything. So what do you come back to the video we drop or we'll get today, because a lot of people they talk say they arrested the Murphy, they arrest and say the Murphy lose the house and things like that. I mean, just because of say the man so you know just want come out, not just want. I mean, I don't say other people see, but like say they relent more. They still don't want come out for the time being on social media. Get me? That's why I say this now one of the most heated time on social media. But me myself and my crew, get me, so we just decide more just relax more for this time more just see how things want be more from outside, just a look in, just more just from outside, just a look in, just as fans, you get me. So and I just be that one way they are my people. So and then now people they accuse of the Murphy, like previous days we pass say the Murphy they say they arrest them, and not say they even arrest themselves. That one I even like say we even the one show some sentiment towards or say maybe we even enlighten the accusation. What did you just did say? They said they inside prison. Say they don't even carry matter go court. They don't preside on and say they don't jail him. Now he's inside prison. Now be waiting there. And the Murphy, so the Murphy wife come out. You get me? As a good wife, so or as a good wife supposed to do. You know what I mean? She come out and she come out on the Murphy page. You get me? So she can't say no. Make people know. In fact, that woman really calm. That one, like, said this person, she was not happy about it. I mean, she really calmed down. I must acknowledge that one. She really calmed down. They talk. That one, a person will say, now so they tell they talk. Now she was really annoyed, but she just calmly talk calm and everything. In fact, one place where she say she won't even raise her voice. She can't even they remind herself. So no, I thought say I not go holla and I won't start to holla. You know what I mean? So that was very. I really admire that place and everything. Like how the woman don't. You know what I mean? She showed class in that particular video. So the Murphy come out as usual. The Murphy at that moment in time, like that one really shows say he's working on the other things they meaningful to run. Pass on social media, you get me? And then he was installing TVs. If I say he want to install TVs for all of his rooms and all the rooms in his house. You know what I mean? Both the children's room and the wife's room and his living room and everything. So now just be waiting them say the ones where they the old ones where the hasn't talk as the wife talk, they want to remove all those ones. Maybe they want to wait them, but they want to go send a go to. However, they want replace them with new ones and with more updated TVs and things like that, like the latest. Yeah. Now that one just did it. So the Murphy once in a while you go come glance towards the live video where you wipe the talk, especially when you go hear something where they interested and everything. So that one just be. So this particular one, I'm just go straight to the video because we don't even want to talk too much here because like when I talk, but I started to talk too much. Then I don't know when I go make the next video again, make the next video. They are can't come in full blast. They come like say I can't come earlier than I like as I promised. You know what I mean? So that one not go. We don't let that one fly here. Yeah, because now my mouth will say I just dropped it and then be this morning part 6. I just say maybe the next video could be like 2 days time or whatever. And I can't talk inside say I can't loud talk and say if now watch them say maybe I go even drop that the movie part today. So now that one just make it because I promised something that's why they be. So now that one even make me want to make this video right now, or we say we won't even drop this video right now. So my people, I hope so not go enjoy and may God can continue to bless you. I mean, so every time we style out our pattern, with the style out our pattern, like say with the change things and everything, and you know what I mean, we just form our pattern and like they organize and they make an union. Not say West we use for this one or the pattern or the slogan where we use for the line. Now we're going to use for this one. So everything just get time and season and everything. My people, I want to say don't go change. Say my appreciation towards you now, and I appreciate you so much. Especially this time we say I don't even drop any video and I still continue to the subscribe. Like what I said on one of my earlier videos, say wow, if somebody get good work or if it's hard put or maybe anything at all they positive way they do for like say if they done with the whole of his head and they good at it, that's something always the draw market come from. You know what I mean? Not be waiting there. So my people, I thank you so much and may God continue to bless you now. Una do well and bye bye. Make you take care of your family. Bye bye.
What's he talking here now? Even in my way party, my very my yogio. Why not? Somebody is putting red hair. I'm back with Facebook. I went to house. Nenemi, knock pa. Maybe I got put it the man show, but he ready was blinking last year.
Now I put it red. Now you know what, man. It might be like Jenny, my women.
It be what woman.
It might work by me, my work with me. On already who damn it, or you went more.
I'll follow my die. Who you went more? Anything you use your head to carry it.
And yet, what big gun. Waga me problem what is social media what be Germany wa no gi waga am I be Ogbe Germany Ogbe ari gboko ni what be ya fe wa no gi waga no jo be do kan what ye me iku wa mo de record what be lawyer ni what be judge ni wa
oh you soon on Facebook ha. You just go to somebody's platform. Who were at your Oregon? Don't tell me that person. The Murphy Oregon. Was stopping Wauna, my dear people. Emma. Emma. Why are you still doing it? Why are you guys still doing it? By destroying people's name on Facebook. Oregon. Don't worry, why will you give a live video now? You might give only a ladian. Then why what on the way of Warega? Wagia, in Wateo, Oriseo, in Wakao, Orisuno. Hell, maybe I can tell you Facebook now. Any Atao, Orisuno. Who is this person that is putting red dead? I'm going to block your house. I can't swear. I can't you do why thing with you go? You don't want to live video. Why thing with you go live video? And your mugwa live video. Why thing with no mugwa live video? And the mafia. Why the mafia law wa?
If you do man, if no you wa you gan, error. Why we body now? To why I fair to one you go. If you came here fair and wado, Gualo Tewebo, A to Z kuwa comment tu waya faire ramion enye jegan waya ti be jegan wa me problem mo
ogbon ma wa na je
ma wa ti me wa me problem
wa na ya vi red dead
wa ti me anything wa ya wu
age rara
a phone email is 24 hours edo yo okwo pa we ti won from Berlin owe yan viyan mo abi yan viyan mo ina we to de no la wa so wane ya muke Italy re wala o ina ya gwa na la una dege o kan we ori ebe ne o ma ri ebe ne o ma ri ebe ne e gbe no pe na mu eberi ya wana ya ta ma o gbalegbe e eri o ma mu di ayo ne eri won we no pa yo ne go nu we ata Berlin na ni a o ti me won ina we do ari yobo ne la we ga ri yan o wa ri yan be
yo be ya pete no ma mi
obiwa obi we gbe bi second one we bi enu we do we ma ni be wa we gbagbina we wa pa uwa ya ri be e ma brother me e ma wa iwu yan la o
get mafia o
wa iwu yan wala ya yi
wa parliament ma je na
wa iwu yan wala
okay o wa ji okay fancy okay television on tele ago na wa stop wala o
wa we pe me ni ka wala mi am
okay na eli do ma ye ni wi àwọn le te bana wi ave mo ge ba monica
la wa e be wa
ni wa le mo ge ba e yo wo la ni yo wo la ni no pa na prince ni mo charger
na mo yin mo ze ge ku ye na o de prince me na dule ku ye la wo ye do iku ni ma wo de gbe oko wa e pe monica wala o beni ya mu oge ni bai ma monica wa wo ri account we gun abi me 50 euro ya be di nu e ma oge ni ya mu ba wedding is not a good thing ma ya fe opa ma hin awo na si koko ni ma ya fe awo pa wa iwe beni monica we ma se ye we ami no phone wala wa wu yo bone ma wa no way ma do piano do ko no but yeti point here I made that one pa because I don't pa na suspect one we suspect a thing where are we away we my oh ma dan wa rubu baba o wa gwale mi dan all way so ya ka wa no way but osani amugie ni ibi do wala o wa wo yo bone wa wu yo bone bi do la wa wu yo bone wa digwen wa A to Z ya se gbo mo wa bie tu wa ya fe tu wa dia la po na 2020 na jump and pass no po no de na wala o ne wa ije guwa oten guwa but ije dan aru wa gbe ije dan no wa we mi po no wi yen mu wa waria to ga wu wa yo we lede oko anybody egbewe o gbera monu biere e so pan wo omo nu ma bi ona ga iju era no otun no ogwalowe upono de na nwege la o ajo we le din ma so that is something wa ya fe mi lo pare ba o yin wa wo yin wo me
so if you don't know some if you don't need godo wa to wa ya mo si gbere be wa ti e di mo fi phone e me ya gbon na phone e me we la video
no joy
mi ta no phone ya we la video ma mi ma we dala wa na
social media president ya mu e ana igwe nu we police station ni ana de o court ga no je awon gbe de la do ma nyere la ja wo wana te ejenu
la dans les live tu dois talori talent
do eje ga
ni hori ni wa
police emu there go to the nearby police Prince Edwin Idahosa born on the 23/7/1966 ya no ama bi police ni ama bi judge ama bi piscotor ama bi ya egbe ma kan ya awon mi la de pale passport on ya wo gbe so ni e
ogun ba wa river no wa falu no everyday wa ero wi wa mo ebogbe wa we bi yan wa ya si ekoto wa we bi yan o ya wuje live video na mi bo mi we ya ladian wa ya dan mi o eri en gie ngani mo bona agyo mega asapuke oni me bona agyo mega mo fi face no wi mo fi no wa ri gbe ya no wia won no ye be wa un sani e we jorom
ama wi o ha ni wo wota ebi ya no do ata ni o re ya ni
the more people is working. He wants to fix all the fence in this house. All the television you watch. And we m'avait dit d'over, on avait délové anymore. Monica is a nice person. Please, you guys should try and help Monica. While we are bonnet, and there you have a lot of Facebook, avec the advice, avec the boudere, avec the no ye cover you worry. Wale ya we past no ve kare u wale ya we bonnet Facebook na maka we agbelegbe wa wo no pa awu no pa godan mo ve ni wa ni me so ya mu e is very bad. It's very bad na mi mala agai we na
eti me mi screwdriver no ka bo we gbo be na
screwdriver ya re nana ni na ke no kwa screwdriver yi ba po we sta ni on ave pie ban na mi wa no we no ma go down wa he do go down at last ono we no we why we not dey egbo yen be do dey o be do wu only God in heaven knows. If you know Kasumu Dama, and no matter which of my bad, if you're my regan, if you're my Rona, if you're Monica, what's so very why we born, why we born? I'm already yet, but we are destroying. All your Nigerian, all your Nigerian, all your doom. I'm already yet, but we are destroying. We are walk back. I love the life video are destroyed. Oh, you Nigeria ti we. Ebo amaya we gbe leri yo. Ebo to bo amaya we gbe leri yo. No. The pie is here, the pie is at home. Because a cousin here receive his iruwe satun o. Ya disturb you, ma gegbe ọkùnrin. Come here at 2 now. What is soon? Me get to we video we satun.
Ma we na wo
no, well, why you boss silly? I can't go here, but we live video.
No, I wear the other because they were not team.
They are working my live video.
Then, not team.
They pack away social media on it. They are working, are with supermarket. My live video there. That's the last thing. I say, man, like a yellow, I really son at Talo. Are working with Talo, give you any manner. Oh, my village already break now with live video. So ni ma wonu wa ya ta orega magboma wa. Magboma wa ma sama do ma ji. O ma gbe bank le Germany. Do very yo bono ma eri aye ni ma ya deji. So yo bono e ti le baru pa fo. Ori eni ma ya yane. Se ri onya ya ri okay asedu fo magbo. Ama iwa agbon ni majina na efo ama wuna eza agbonbo o ni eko atale nínú oge it's too much mo wi awaye fo na ewe ba te we ni gewe na ewu let me do it osunu Facebook osunu a platform of woman ni awon na we ati bana we ata we oge pare gan on the platform again na Rita ayemi ejembe manaji Rita ayemi o enyedowe ejembe manaji wa ibe tagbe ban a video when if he had donation we ba video ni because of make you have to cut no only to not cut it for guilty pa
ye do ene what o
ge no go lo tell me life video to this trauma we no money tire on who pay no how guilty pa o guilty what pa be go are le when mi tana no wa tota no wa vuwe ya gabe ba no tan me yo
chi Felicia pon wa no
ni aka ime
ya no Felicia okay ki no chi me ni o Felicia chi me ma okay ki no chi me o chi me mo
wa so lo re
we le jenu we ti akofa me
wọ́n sọ ìbẹ̀ tó gè gbé ọmọ rẹ̀ tó yóò bọ́ kì í ṣá o ọwọ́ ògè náà lù tánà ṣe mẹ́ wàá mi ọbẹ̀ ìwọ́
We might the police station. Prince Edwin in the house a kekan. I'm having look on a gben. Prince Edwin in the house. At the police station where this man, I hear say he dey prison. Here the time where which prison dey? Which prison? Now your prison have been government prison have been Nigeria prison. Yeah, I don't know where they need. Prince Edwin in the house. Prince P-R-I-N-C-E. Prince Edwin E-D-W-I-N. Idausa I-D-A-H-O-S-A. Where Tito Bowe? Adie can the police confirm why you are. That will go right to me. Now I am Mubabo. And I'm
a man who live video Kedwadi. Or we are live video Banwati abo. And he put the or yere, no man yere. You are elected those Severiana. If I want to get a Vela. This one will condemn me. You are like a Severiana. You are via Gala, Jadi Total, live video. You match trafficking. You match trafficking of Binaji. I'm a make my mommy. Today, Ekia gets in here. When it's Anna Ekia Yakpon, ya Dimoto Nukbia, ya Reto Wanukbia. Automatic bin there, not the wire of money. When a dete Munana war won. A moya no hulo with a zelibia, a lot of them. A lot of them. Near free very a so no money will so say Nigerian. A so when we know Bonevo what?
I tell you, Mama. Now you need.
I want to have a live video. Why are you Nuriama? This is a great man. This is a man. Why I celebrate? Why I total is a diatia? Because he has fought a good fight on live video. Oh, bina, a mess sweaty bina. When I came with human trafficking, I make way be me. On a large, on a more weather, don't I be like the Leniana will stop his job. Why, and Johnny, while I don't go. If you want now, if you will not bow, how long? Mama, you run away with the family away. While I don't like it, I will destroy me. I was scatter in the end. I'm not tired of if you are it. You will not have a lot of you on live video. Why are you going I'm as we live video. We ain't one year, we preach money a good one. The battery voa. I don't see a lot. You know, can you Man, I'm never strong enough. I don't want strong enough. I don't want strong enough. The place is very busy. And every lad, every do a lad, and more come every hour we live video. Then now we live video, we're on with now. Did you see a part? Sweet ce n'est pas sexy father. Sexy father. On y a un qu'est-ce father. On y a un beau body father. Dans les faits, j'y vais vraiment. Aïe, non. Moi, il fait c'est quoi, toi, stop lying, no. Vous avez là, avec Bedo. Avec Bedo, mon fils, non, non. Nous, qu'est-ce no, you were boy dinner. You are going to go down.
Stop
lying to my father.
Stop lying. Stop lying. Why you talking? If you are why I go on a live video, and the Murphy say, the Murphy do, the Murphy does.
Hello guys, you're welcome back. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and while you are at that, don't forget to click on the notification bell so that next time when my video drops, you will be notified. And one more thing I'd like to say is that if there's anything that you guys would like me to change, like an addition or an increase to anything I'm doing with my video production, or like a reduction or decrease or take away from my video production, don't hesitate to leave your comment or your suggestion, your opinions on the comment section. And believe me, I read every comment and I'll know what changes to be made. Thank you all so much for watching once again. Bye.